Looking for a smart TV with stunning 4K picture quality and built-in streaming? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a look at the INSIGNIA F50 Series 4K Smart Fire TV, featuring stunning 4K resolution, built-in Fire TV HDR support, and an Alexa voice remote for a seamless entertainment experience. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the INSIGNIA F50 Series 4K Smart Fire TV. TV base, screws, voice remote, AAA batteries, power cable, user manual. Product features. Enjoy stunning picture quality with 4 times the resolution of Full HD, delivering exceptional sharpness and detail. Rich colors and crisp visuals make movies, TV shows, sports, and games feel more realistic and immersive. It delivers rich, immersive sound that brings every scene to life. Experience immersive, room-filling virtual surround sound without the need for additional speakers. It enhances dialogue clarity, expands the soundstage, and creates a more cinematic audio experience for all your entertainment. Stream thousands of movies, TV shows, and live channels from your favorite apps through the built-in Fire TV platform. Its intuitive interface and personalized recommendations make discovering and enjoying content quick and effortless. You can also access your favorite entertainment with just a few clicks. Control your TV with simple voice commands to search for content, launch apps, adjust playback, and switch inputs. You can also manage compatible smart home devices for added convenience. Enjoy faster, hands-free control for a smoother entertainment experience. Technical specifications. How to use. Place the TV on a stable entertainment stand or securely mount it on a compatible VESA wall bracket. Connect the included power cable and attach any external devices, such as a gaming console, Blu-ray player, or soundbar. Once everything is connected, press the power button to turn on the TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language and connect the TV to your Wi-Fi network. Sign in with your Amazon account to activate Fire TV features, access streaming apps, receive software updates, and personalize your entertainment experience. Once connected, your TV is ready to stream content and access the latest features seamlessly. Use the Alexa voice remote to search for movies and TV shows, launch your favorite streaming apps, switch inputs, and control playback with simple voice commands. Browse thousands of entertainment options and enjoy your favorite content in sharp 4K picture quality with immersive sound. Safety tips. Use a stable installation. Ensure proper ventilation. Protect from moisture. Use the correct power source. Handle the screen carefully. Unplug during storms or non-use. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.